We're building the modified power wheels out of this Eton 90cc four-wheeler. Widen the frame and modify the shocks and suspension, of course. Got the engine right here. Put a new top end in it. Has split the case. The left side center crankcase had a hole in it. Got the wiring harness right here. Huge mess. Don't have the body yet, but my buddies are picking me up a F150 power wheel.
Fighting it.
All right, Trey, hit it. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh, got the in reverse. Oh, it's dead now.
I think it'll look good. Turn out real nice. So to get the right wheelbase, I had to actually lengthen the frame there of this frame. And so I cut it in half, and then I used this black half-inch, I don't know what gauge that is, 11 or something. Just high pressure pipe, and I ran it all the way through, so it stops about right there. So right where it starts to bend. And so I'm just gonna weld around here, and it should be super strong. What's up, everybody? Coming along with my Power Wheels build. Got this subframe made. Goes inside those body panels. Holds everything together. Motor's all torn down, but it's up in there for mocking purposes. But yeah, come along pretty well. It's got a nice stance to it, all jacked up. Pretty sweet. Stay tuned. This thing's gonna be awesome.